ag power and equipment technician, agricultural machinery, tractors, equipment.
They deal a lot with hay equipment and tillage equipment and tractors, engines. Your first year is all gas engines, your second year is all diesel engines. It's a lot of do with computers and controllers. We've got miles and miles of harnesses now on these newer tractors. It's not like the past we used to where you could adjust a linkage or something like that. No, now we adjust a controller. Everything is getting more and more electrical. The stuff that I've learned here, I use it just about every day. Anywhere from how to look up wiring schematics and how to read wiring schematics to dealing with customers.
You get to work on combines and big articulate tractors down to everything else. You touch and work on everything. It's pretty sweet.